I am going to show you how to add in more filler cord. So the pattern generator is giving you estimated rounds, and that's going to depend on your attention, the materials you're wrapping with, and the way that you shape your basket. So if you end up running out of filler cord, it's very easy to add it. You will just take both ends of the filler cord, your new piece and the old piece, and tape them together. You can cut these at an angle like when we first start our baskets, but I like to just cut it flat. It works just as good. So if you have two pieces that are freshly cut like this, grab a wide piece of tape. You can use whatever you want. Some people use like a gauze or medical tape. That's fine too. I find it to be more helpful if you're using a wide piece of tape. It doesn't take much. Just grab a piece like this and then just lay both pieces on it. And then just go ahead and tape them together. And now all you have to do is continue wrapping over it.